Can you go find some more? Put it in the bucket. Good job. Can you find some more eggs? Look around. No, not over there. Look over here. There's some over here. See any over by the bushes? Look, on the house. Here we go. That's not it. Right there. Look up. Look up. At the house. Did it. Good job, buddy. Look, I think I see one on the car. On the car?
Me too. Car.
Good job, buddy. See any more maybe along the bushes? You see any more in the bushes? His basket's at the end of this. I'm hoping that he sees them in a row. One right there. Do you see one more? Do you see another egg? Do you see another egg right there? Hey, do you see an egg right there? Egg! Do you see anything else? What is that? Oh yeah, what is that? Are you gonna put that? That's another basket for you.
Go get the basket, Brigham.
Oh, that's from the Easter Bunny.
Go get your basket.
That's all yours, buddy.
Go get it.
Are you kind of confused? What's going on?
Go get your basket.
Go get it. You can have all those toys.
Brigham, there's candy in there. Go get the candy.
Here. Let's take these inside so Mom can make them into eggs that we can eat.
Come here, Brigham.
No, take the basket.
Oh, crap.
What?
I didn't look up. Look.
You didn't what?
I didn't look up the recipe.
Oh,
I don't know if I've got mustard. Isn't that what you put in them?
I don't know. Should we take it inside and play with it?
Let's go take it inside. Ready?
Squeeze it. Squeeze it hard. Should we see if Mama can find her basket?
You hit mine too.
Uh-huh.
Ready? Squeeze it hard. Hard.
Woohoo!
You did it. You got me. Ready? Put it in there. Squeeze it. Squeeze it hard. Squeeze it. It's stuck in there good. Okay, try again. Up. Help. Is it stuck? Squeeze it hard. Here, buddy. Oh, man. Let's go take it inside.
Let's go see if Mama can find her basket. We'll tell her hot and cold.
No, she's behind me.
Warm, 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 hotter, getting hot, warmer, colder, colder, warmer, colder, warmer, warmer, hot, cold, cold, hot, hot, warmer. You're getting hotter. You're getting so hot. So hot. Oh my gosh. You're almost on fire. You're almost on fire.
Oh my gosh.
Smells good in here. Like Easter chocolates.
What's with you getting me an abnormally large Easter basket?
I didn't get you a big Easter basket. It just happened to be a big... I just happened to put it all in a laundry basket.
It's a pretty big basket.
Brigham, where are you going?
Oh.
Ooh, good thing he landed on his arm. You okay? It's okay. Come here. Let's see what happened. Okay. Are you okay? Uh-oh, scraped up your arm a little bit. Huh. Here, I'm going to put that in there. Here, I'll pop it out. Okay, go. Squeeze it. Wow! Did you see it go over there?
Nice, babe. This is a nice basket.
I hope so. Okay, let's go inside and play with it already. In there. Oh, that wasn't a very good one. Let's try again, okay? Woo! Help. Oh, you got me in my arm. Go shoot it at Mama.
Uh-oh, he's gonna get me. Push it hard.
Squeeze it. Squeeze hard. No, don't take it out. Squeeze it. Squeeze it hard.